Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3D, then 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Bluetooth and Device Connection. Following that, click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. And then click on Bluetooth. Finally, you can click on device name over here and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on Done, and as you can see after that, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!